Have you ever had a tooth grow in and cause nothing but pain? That's the wisdom tooth story for most people. But here's the strange part. We've had these teeth for millions of years. So why do we still have them? And why do they always seem to cause trouble?
Wisdom teeth are your third set of molars, the very last teeth to grow in. They usually arrive between the ages of 17 and 25. That's how they got the name wisdom teeth, because they show up when you're supposedly a little older and wiser. Most people have 4 of them, one tucked into each corner of the mouth.
To understand why we have them, we need to go way back in time. Our early ancestors ate a tough diet. Raw meat, hard roots, coarse plants. That kind of food demands serious jaw power. So they had bigger jaws and more teeth to match. Wisdom teeth were the extra molars built for all that heavy grinding. Back then, they weren't a problem. They were essential. But then, fire changed everything. Cooking made food softer and much easier to chew. Over thousands of years, our jaws gradually got smaller. The problem? Our tooth count stayed exactly the same. A smaller jaw with the same number of teeth, and suddenly, there's just not enough room. That's exactly why wisdom teeth cause so many problems today. When they try to come in, they're often trapped, partially buried under the gums or pushing sideways against other teeth. Dentists call this impaction. It causes pain, swelling, and infection. That's why millions of wisdom teeth are surgically removed every single year. So wisdom teeth are really just an evolutionary leftover, a relic from our ancient past that no longer fits our modern mouths. Some people are even born without them at all. Scientists believe evolution may phase them out entirely over time. But until then, your dentist might just get there first.